All right, so the righty-tighty is just to the lefty-loosey, but reverse. Remember, familiarize, warm up for time. Here we go. Familiarize, so we're gonna have to go around everything to the right. Some people have trouble with right-handed U-turns, so this is great practice. Now I'm gonna go wide on this one, just so I can feel comfortable. Remember, turn those handlebars, counterweight a little bit, and we're gonna exit out. 16.4, okay, now for warm-up. Now I'm not gonna go wide on this last U-turn. I'm gonna cut it short like I did on the lefty-loosey because it felt good. We have somebody in the parking lot, but I'm not too worried about that. They're distracting me, but we're gonna go ahead and continue. And then we're gonna go ahead and do this, and we're gonna exit out. 14.18. Man, I had 11 on the lefty-loosey. Let's see if we can get to 12. Let's cut this time. I got distracted. 3, 2, 1. Make sure I'm doing that head and eye movement. I'm gonna cut this in. I'm gonna cut this in. Make sure you turn those handlebars and give it some counterweight. We're gonna exit out. 13.12. Man, my lefty-loosey is a lot better. Now let me know in the comments if your lefty-loosey is better than your righty-tighty or vice versa. I'd love to know that.